If you're struggling to manifest something, no matter how many steps you follow, no matter how hard you try, then this video is for you. It's all about why the law of attraction isn't working for you and how to fix it. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mary Kate and I'm a mindset coach, manifesting expert, and founder of mkmagicmindset.com, where you can find tons of law of attraction resources and courses on manifesting. So let's get into it. Why does it feel like sometimes things manifest into your life at record speed, and then other times it feels like no matter how hard you try, you can't manifest a certain thing? Why is that? What makes it different? It's not that one thing was easy and the other thing is hard. It's just there's certain things that you might be missing in your manifesting process when using the law of attraction. I first want to start off by saying that the law of attraction is a law. It works 100% of the time if you know what you're doing and know how to use it. It doesn't discriminate. It doesn't decide that you were a good person today and so you get to manifest this, or you're a bad person yesterday and you won't get to manifest this. It is a law that is working at all times, whether you realize it or not. A lot of the times you're just doing things that is standing in your own way, and I'll get into all of those in just a minute. But I just wanted to preface this by saying the law of attraction is 100% real. It's a law. It's working in your life right now, whether you realize it or not, and it doesn't discriminate at all. It doesn't mean you'll manifest something quicker if you think harder and try harder and work harder. That's not how it works. It is constantly working in your life, and there's certain conditions that have to happen in order for something to manifest. You can't just outsmart the law of attraction. If one of these things that I'm about to talk about isn't working, then you're not going to be able to manifest what you want into your life. There are so many factors that go into your manifesting process, but I think one of the biggest things is your mindset. I know it sounds really simple. Think happy thoughts and happy things will come to you. But there's actually a lot more that goes into it. A big part of your mindset is your belief system. Your belief system is determined by so many different things. And a lot of the reason that you have the beliefs you have right now are things that were actually programmed during your early childhood. So if you grew up in a household where money was tight, your parents complained about money, then there's probably a lot of negative beliefs about money that have slipped into your subconscious mind, and they're part of your belief system. So you first have to start off with where your beliefs are about whatever you're trying to manifest. If you're trying to manifest a lot of money, but you have beliefs that there's not enough money or you struggle with money, then it's not going to manifest into your life. You have to start with where your beliefs are. Whatever you're trying to manifest, you have to have a strong core belief about. And one of the best ways to find out what your belief system is about what you're trying to manifest is to take a journal and write down all of your thoughts and beliefs. Anything and everything that comes to your mind whenever you're thinking about what it is that you're trying to manifest. Write down every single thought and belief. And from there, figure out how you can heal and fix those beliefs and turn it around so that you have a more positive belief and outlook about what you're trying to create. Once you've gotten clear on your beliefs, you need to be so sure that you're going to manifest what it is that you want, that you have complete, unwavering faith that it's already yours. I talk about this in one of my other videos on how to surrender, but you wouldn't ask for something you already have. Think of it that way. Your belief has to be so strong that what you are trying to create is already yours. You have to believe without a doubt that it's going to be part of your life, that it is a part of your life. If you have any questions whatsoever, it's not going to happen for you. If you want $50,000, think from and act like the version of yourself that already has it. You have to have complete, unwavering faith that it's yours. I get so many DMs in my inbox saying, I've been trying to manifest this and I've done this and I've worked on my belief system and it still hasn't manifested. If you're still wondering why something hasn't manifested, then your belief system just isn't strong enough yet. You shouldn't be looking for where it is and why it isn't here yet. You should already know that it's already yours, and that's it. You just have to have complete faith that what you want is already yours. Unwavering faith. And if you're still on the lookout and wondering why it's not here yet, then you don't have faith yet, because you wouldn't be looking for something that you already have. Claim it as yours and be done with it. Believe it and be done with it. This brings me to another thing that might be holding you back when you're trying to manifest something, and that is focusing on lack. A lot of the times, people who are focusing on lack don't even realize they're doing it. It's one of those things that you might not even realize it's happening until you look back and realize that's what you were doing. Let me just share with you a really quick example of something I came across recently. I have an abundance programming meditation on my channel. If you want to check it out, it's a 20-minute meditation and it'll bring you financial miracles in 1 week. I'll leave a link up here and a link down below. But in one of the comments, somebody had told me they were listening for a week and nothing happened for them. And I immediately replied to their comment and said that in order for it to work, you had to have unwavering faith that it's already yours and you can't focus on it not being there yet. So he was focusing on lack without even realizing it. And right after I commented that, he sent me another message saying as he was typing that message, he received an unexpected financial miracle. So if you're focusing on lack, you are standing in your own way. If you're focusing on the result of it not being there yet, you're standing in your own way. So you can't focus on lack. Sometimes you don't even realize you're focusing on lack. But if you're super focused on the fact that what you want to manifest hasn't happened yet, you are focusing on lack, and you need to turn around your belief system and claim it as yours. Believe that it's already yours. Stop looking for it to come, because that's only preventing it from coming into your life. Does that make sense? If you expect it to come, it will come. If you're looking for evidence of when it's going to come and how and everything, you're going to block it. Focusing on lack is such a big issue that I see with some of my clients and a lot of people that message me. And it's one of those things that you consciously have to work on. A lot of the times you really don't even realize that you're focusing on lack. But when you're looking for evidence of it happening and evidence of it not being there yet, that's focusing on lack. Another really important factor when it comes to manifesting and the law of attraction is timing. There is such a thing as divine timing. And a lot of the times when you're trying to manifest something, you want it at record speed. We live in an era where everything is lightning instant fast. You can post something on Instagram, you can order groceries to your door in an hour, you can Amazon Prime 2-day delivery. Everything is instant gratification. So because we're so programmed that way now, a lot of the times when you're trying to manifest something, you expect lightning speed results right now, like tomorrow. I want to manifest $50,000 tomorrow. It's going to happen tomorrow, today. You have to stop focusing on the timing. It's not up to you when the universe is going to deliver something to you. Just trust in the divine timing that the universe will deliver to you what you want in the right time, when it's meant to come to your reality, when it's meant to happen for you. Things can't happen for you unless it's the right timing. So for example, if you're after a relationship and you're constantly wondering when this person's going to come into your life, it's not up to you to figure that out. The universe will deliver this person at the right time, at the right moment. Just trust that the universe has the right time. You don't know what you don't know. You don't know if it's the right time in your life. You might feel like you're ready for something, but you're not. And like I said, it always goes back to mindset. You have to be in the right mindset to receive something. So a lot of the times the universe won't deliver something in the right time until you have the right mindset. That's why I always start with your mindset and your belief system. Your mindset and your belief system set up all your results. It'll set up everything else for you. Stop worrying so much about the timing, and as long as you have a strong belief that what you want is already yours and you're not focusing on lack at all you have to do is trust the timing. It's not up to you to control the timing. As long as you firmly believe and affirm that it's yours, it will happen. Don't worry about the time. It's not up to you. One of the best affirmations you can say is, I trust the divine timing. Take it off your own shoulders. It's not up to you to control. Let the universe do its thing, sit back, and surrender. Surrendering is another big, important factor when it comes to using the law of attraction and manifesting. I know there's a lot of steps and a lot of information, but trust me, if you get all of these right, things will manifest into your life much quicker and easier. And one of these things, I guarantee you, is probably holding you back at this very second. So the sooner you can recognize it, the sooner you can turn it around. So when it comes to surrendering, I also have a video all about this. I'll link it down below and link it up here. Sorry for all the links. I just want to share with you all of the knowledge, so if one of these things is holding you back, you can find out more. But surrendering is so important, and it goes hand in hand with timing. Once you do all of the steps, once you've focused on your belief system and gotten clear on what your beliefs are and getting clear on what you want to manifest, and once you make sure that you're not focusing on a place of lack and standing in your own way, and after you decide to trust the timing, it's time to surrender. I always say, don't surrender until you fully believe it's yours. Once you fully believe it's yours, it's so much easier to surrender. I always say, you wouldn't ask for something you already have. So once you've done all these steps, stop asking and surrender and trust the timing. They go hand in hand. Surrender and trust the timing. It's no longer up to you. You can't make anything happen. Trust the universe to deliver what you need when you need it. The law of attraction is a law, and it's not something you can control. All you can do is follow the steps and make sure you're not blocking it. Once you've acknowledged all of these steps, You should be in alignment. Being in alignment simply means matching your thoughts, behaviors, and actions. It's basically thinking from and acting like the version of yourself that already has what it is that you want. How would you behave? How would you think? How would you act? Think of it in those simple terms. Alignment brings things into your reality. I always say, where your mind goes, the universe shows. If you agree with me, leave me a comment below. Where your mind goes, the universe shows. While you're at it, give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it so far. Trust me, I get it. I've been studying the law of attraction for well over a decade, and I know how frustrating it can be when you're trying to manifest something and it's just not happening for you. I work with clients every single day to get their breakthroughs when it comes to manifesting, and these are the biggest issues I see that come up when something's not working. So your belief system, focusing on lack, letting go of the timing, surrendering, and being aligned will all be factors that determine how quickly and how efficiently you can manifest things into your life. Which one of these things are you struggling with? I would say the most common one is probably lack, and I've been guilty of it too. You feel like you followed all the right steps and you want to manifest something, and then you're just sitting there like waiting and praying and hoping it'll be there, and waiting and praying and hoping, and that, like I said, is actually blocking it from you because you just have to believe it's yours and surrender. Simplify your manifesting process. But like I said at the very beginning of this video, start with your belief system. If you don't fully, truly believe that you can have something, it won't manifest into your life. You have to have complete, unwavering faith. So until you get there, keep journaling, keep meditating, keep writing things down, and keep figuring out how you can get your belief system turned around to believe that what you want is already yours. Everything you're trying to manifest will happen at different speeds, at different times. It's all up to the universe and the right timing. All you can do is be in alignment and trust that what you want is already yours, and get out of your own way. The universe always provides. The law of attraction is always working. Just trust the process and try not to get frustrated. It's always going to be an ongoing project. You are consciously creating your life, and that is a powerful thing to realize. So enjoy that control, make it fun, and enjoy every second of your manifesting process. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment below. I read every single one, and I love hearing from you. And to be notified when my next video is coming out, hit that little bell notification, and you'll get a little notification every time I post a new video so you won't miss anything. And as always, be sure to visit my website, mkmagicmindset.com. You can find tons of law of attraction resources. And if you really want to dive deeper into your mindset work, I have my course Abundance Academy, and there's mindset workbooks in there and lots of really good stuff. So be sure to check it out as well. I will see you next time.